Hey there, dessert lovers! Today I'm excited to share with you my recipe for a rich and creamy chocolate cheesecake. This classic dessert is the perfect combination of a crisp crust, a smooth and chocolatey filling, and a decadent chocolate ganache topping. So let's get started. For the crust, you'll need 250 grams crushed biscuits, 100 grams melted butter. To make the crust, mix together the crushed biscuits and melted butter. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the prepared pan. Refrigerate the crust for 3 hours. For the filling, you'll need 1/4 cup boiling water, 2 1/2 teaspoons gelatin powder. Mix together the boiling water and gelatin powder until it is dissolved. You'll also need 500 grams cream cheese, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 200 grams melted chocolate, 1 cup whipped cream. In a large bowl, beat together the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla extract until light and fluffy. Mix in the gelatin from earlier, as well as the melted chocolate and the whipped cream. Pour the mixture over the prepared crust and refrigerate for another 3 hours. For the ganache topping, you'll need 1/4 cup chocolate chips, 1/4 cup cream. To make the ganache topping, melt the cream and chocolate chips in a microwave oven for 30 seconds. Pour the ganache over the cooled cheesecake and spread it evenly. Cover the cheesecake and refrigerate overnight or until the ganache is set. Once the cheesecake is chilled, remove the springform pan and slice into wedges to serve. And there you have it, folks, a decadent chocolate cheesecake that's sure to impress. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious dessert recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.